Hello, this is your boy Pixellab. I'm going to be showing you on how to design a simple birthday flyer, but it's going to be amazing. So, how do you get started? First of all, click here and select your image size. Ensure that it's 1350 by 1350. Then, the next thing you need to do is to click delete this, delete it. Then come here and select from gallery. Then go to your download. So I've downloaded a particular background I wanted to use, so I'm going to use the background immediately to start off this design. So this is the background I have. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to continue the design immediately. What I have to do is to click here and select from gallery, then locate the two images I want to use. So this was a particular design I actually made, then I'm replicating it again so that you can be able to learn from it using my phone. So click here from gallery. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click here, select this particular image, then put this particular image in front like this, in front like this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click here and select from gallery. Now everything you're going to be selecting are things that you've already downloaded, the materials that you need to actually put up a design. So in case you don't know that, I will be able to provide these materials for you on this video. So next thing you have to do for me is I just want you to actually click on that subscribe button and be able to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can have more of this. Also, your comment will be needed so that you can have more of this and you'll be able to learn on how to design just using your smartphone. So what I'm doing is I'm taking it up. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll click here, then click here and select shape, then click here and select cycle. Then I'm going to give it particular color. So I'm going to give it deep brown. Click on brown here, then click on it, then ensure that it's a deep brown here. Come and select cycle, click on gradient, click here, okay, and select white, then come here and drag this here, drag it here, take it up. So just reduce this like this, then click on OK. So this is what I have. So now many people have been dying to do things like this, but I've made it easier now, so you can be able to do it on your own. So click here and reduce your what opacity. So the next thing you're going to do is the opacity is too much, so you lower it again like this just to give your design a juice. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, click here, click here, then merge them together. So when you merge them together, the next thing that you do is just duplicate. Okay, now we are having that because when I merged them it was below, so I have to drag it out like this first, then I'll click here, click here, click here, then merge it. So as soon as I've merged it now, I can duplicate it, then take the other one to its position, take this one back to the position it's supposed to be, then close it, then take this one to the position it has to be. Yeah, so if there's any write-up I'm going to write now, all these write-up are going to be in this particular thing. So how do I continue? So now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start writing all the necessary. So first of all, we have a happy birthday. So I'll type it out. So I'll type the word happy birthday. Happy birthday. Then I'll use this. Then I have to come here and select my font. So first of all is my font beyond. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on stroke, then click here, then give it a white stroke. So from here I'm going to increase my font, so because I wanted to make the tutorial a little bit So you have to increase my font by coming to this stroke. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is I'll start typing each and every word, the birthday and some. So I have to come here and type uh, highly esteemed. So I'm not going to finish every of the word. Highly esteemed. So after that, the next thing you do is you reduce it, then you drag out by using what spaces. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to control D this again, then type thickness, then drag it here. Then I'm going to reduce the spaces, and I'll click on font, then come here and just type Austin. So if you don't have this particular font, you can download it. It's all on Google. So I have to space in the text again, then I have to bring it closer like this. So now thickness, and the next thing is I'm going to write the name. So then the next thing I do is I click here to select what the name of the font again, Pim Pass. Okay, so I'll bring it here. So from here I can drag out like this, then give it the particular color I want. So how did I select my color? Click on color, then click on this and click on the eye, then just pick your color. So that's how I select my colors. I increase it, then click here, then the next thing I do is I click on inner this time. Just use a deeper orange just to envelope it. Just do it this way. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to write the date and then we are done. So that's how simple this design is. So October, um, I have to bring the October where it's supposed to be. Then I have to close it, move it closer. Next thing I do is just write the date, which is what, 12. So you're able to finish this. Please ensure that you subscribe to this channel so that you can be able to learn more of these what designs. And the more you subscribe and comment, the more designs I do. And in case you want me to do a particular design on particular flyer or a particular flyer, just let me know. Thank you. So this has come to the end of our class, and in case you want to save, all you have to do is to click here and select save as, then you click on